Hey there, this is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and today I'm going to be discussing with you and showing you our new books, our grocery book and our errands book. It's a menu planning, basically, and our errand running book. And this is what's going to keep you busy girls organized on the go. So as examples, these are the two art covers that I have chosen for errands and for menu planning. And let me tell you what, aren't these gorgeous? These are perfect to hold in our new everyday wallet that will keep you organized on the go. That will be in another video on the full detail on how you can snuggle these into your wallet on the go in our Traveler's Notebook style. So this is where Traveler's Notebook meets, wallet meets Traveler's Notebook and on the go inspo right here. You'll be inspired when you're actually getting your groceries. So I wanted something, as a busy mom of 8 kids, okay, I wanted something where I could definitely be organized. So for our errands book, I wanted something that could just last me a long time, check, and could give me guidelines so that I can be more organized when I'm writing down exactly what I need to do. So what I love to do is I would put a place I would like to go, like let's say Target, and I would write down the things I would like to do. Here I can just write another one. There you go. And what I will do, sometimes I'll use a really beautiful paper clip and I'll clip it at the top when I'm ready to even turn a page and I've used both pages. It's time to flip, and there you go. What's really great is that when I even get ideas or I've got thoughts as I'm cleaning or doing or being in the home and doing something, I get this idea of an errand I gotta run or something I'd like to pick up, or hey, I really want to get this at Target, then I will go run and go grab my errand book and I know exactly where to put it. And that's the key thing about when I go to design my planners and journals, is that I want it to be very efficient and just so that you can be organized, because I know what it's like, and I want it to be easy, and I want it something that everything has its place, and I feel and am organized to the fullest. And this is what really does that for me. So when I have this and I know where to go when it comes to organize, it's in my wallet that looks like a Traveler's Notebook. I open it up, I know exactly where to go, and I'll know that that's the errands for the week. And so I'll write down Target and I'll write down those errands for the week, or another store too I wanted to go, and write down exactly what was in my head, and I get it down and it's done. Your mind is done bugging you on what you needed to go do and what you really wanted. You've got it down on paper. You can now move forward and live your life. And so this is really the perfect place, and it goes with you on the go. It's always with you. So if you happen to be out and about, you've always got it with you, because it's with you in your wallet and it's in your purse. So it's really the perfect system. If something like this was in your home planner or something, then if you were out and about and you just happened to be able to go pick up some of those things that you had that was out and you wouldn't have had it with you, something like that. That's what I wanted. I wanted an errand book that fits within a wallet so that it was with you all the time anyway. So that's the beauty of the errand book and the menu planning book. So this says grocery on it. It has a beautiful cover. I chose this one as one of the ones I painted for our June cover, but you can pick whatever art cover you want for the book, for the menu planning pages. So you pick your cover and then pick the inside. So here is where it is set up for you to be organized. And here are the days of the week with the weekends clustered together, which I love for the weekend, and because that always has a different feel. And here the pages the lines are wide enough so that you can actually do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, especially with kids getting out of school. And if they're home for the summer, you'll be able to easily do this. And for me, even for my kids, I homeschool, it's there where I've got to figure that out every day of the week. So every day of the year. So here is where I'll do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm really organized with what my plans are for the day full of meals. And then over here you have your shopping list. And so let me tell you something. I go by the aisles of the store. So it'll be produce, and I'll come down here and I'll write dairy and the meat department and the ethnic aisle. And here's the great thing. The next page even has more room. So not everyone has a large family, but a lot of times you just need that extra room, that extra to be able to write down certain things that you needed everywhere, the non-grocery, the stuff that's part of, that's in that grocery store. So we just give you a lot of extra room so that you have it to be able to write down what you need for your groceries. And then as you turn the page, it's just there, you start your next week. So this is 20 weeks worth of menu planning. It's absolutely not only perfect, but it's beautiful. It stays with you on the go. It keeps you organized, and it's very efficient for keeping yourself organized on the go. So there you have it, guys. I can't wait to get these in your hands, and welcome to the Planner Perfect community.